Welcome. In this video, I am going to show you the working of gesture controlled Bluetooth based robot. Over here, I am using this glove in order to show the gestures. So I have wear it in my hand. So here you can see the flux sensors over here, and here you are having one battery, and also we are having one Arduino board over here, and Bluetooth is over here. So with this Bluetooth, we have paired this Bluetooth also, so that's why this communication is happening. And over the robot you can see this one on Arduino and battery, and this one I have Bluetooth. So this one actually we can say it as all-terrain robot, because that kind of wheels we have used over here. So that's why we can call it as all-terrain robot. So with the help of these gestures I can be able to move the robot. Now moving front, and I have bended my first hand, so now it's moving front forward. Now I have bent my first two fingers, now it's moving backward. You can see the direction of movement, the wheels, and I make all fingers straight, now it's stop. And I bend all the three fingers together, now it's moving right. Again stop. If I move the third finger only, I have bended the third finger only, then it's moving left. This is how we are controlling the all-terrain robot with the help of our gestures. Thank you.